Let's be honest, are you still scared of the Anastasia Dip Pro pomade because you went through something like this? The 2016 Baddie Eyebrow era? Would you believe me that I also used it on this picture? Let me show you how. I always start with the brow freeze first. This is very important. I scooped a little bit of product on the lid and then I'm just lifting up my eyebrow hair. This is like an eyebrow wax. It will hold your hair in place the whole day if you press it down to your forehead. If you like them bushy, you can keep it like this, but I like to carve them down just a little bit. Now that I have the shape that I like, I'm going in with the dip brow, but I'm only taking a little bit. So I'm going in with a very light hand and then just take any excess off. And now I'm just filling in any sparse areas. If you keep a very light hand and just doing little hair strokes, it will look very natural. And then I'm carving them out with the tiniest bit of concealer. This is the finished brow. Look at that difference. And this is them both filled in. Just a little close-up moment. So if you still have these laying around, just give them another try.